Please subscribe and remember to turn on notifications.
Dodge a bullet.
Here's an example.
John's exam was postponed to next week. He really dodged a bullet as he hadn't studied for it at all.
What do you think the correct meaning is?
Is it A, to almost escape punishment? Is it B, to narrowly avoid a serious problem? Or is it C, to move quickly and quietly? The correct answer is B, to narrowly avoid a serious problem. The idiom dodge a bullet is used when we want to talk about a situation in which we didn't get something we wanted and then later we found out that we were lucky not to get it. Dodging a bullet means narrowly avoiding a situation that turned out to be undesirable, disastrous, dangerous, or otherwise harmful.
Here's an example.
I was so disappointed to miss out on the job at JBN.
I heard that the company went out of business last week. It looks like you dodged a bullet there.
Listen and repeat.
Dodge a bullet.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course. You can also sign up for a live lesson with a teacher.